وظن أنه الفراق والتفت الساق بالساق إلى ربك إلى ربك يومئذ المساق. You are going, you are departing, you are leaving, so the feet will be brought together. That's it. You are taking the journey. إلى ربك, to your Lord. Are you ready? Did you prepare for that day? Are you preparing for that day because maybe later or tomorrow? Are you prepared?